Shahid's. You like it? You like the color? Yeah, you can still start a whole YouTube channel right here. First episode of Shahid. He's gonna start his YouTube journey with this video right here. My name is Coatomc. Oh, teach him how to do that credit trick, man. So I'm at a 480. You about to get me up to 685? Yeah, I know. That's what I need. Let's finish this video real fast. Go ahead and show them what you got, man.
See,
Experience. Yeah, experience gonna be the lowest because we live in Texas. Damn, how many you got? Talking about if I throw this score, if I throw that score, the auto score, the this score. What was that? Oh, go get one.
that's
What?
it. Because I told you I just I see it.
It'll go down and then it'll go up. Oh wow, it's up 64. Up 64 though. Man. That's like, how long did it take for you to get blue for some of those 600?
About 6 months. About 4 to 6 months.
So by the end of the year, I'll be straight. That's what I need.
Oh, way before the end of the year. I would probably say 60 to 90 days we can get you right. Because all it is, them five big brothers, we can go in and delete the inquiries or whatever you got on there.
Hey man.
And then add some positive trade lines. Let me show you. Because on mine, it shows you where you got the positive account.
What is that? Is that Craig Farmer?
Yeah, it's kind of fun.
That motherfucker jumped up a lot.
Below 300. Yeah. But this right here, the 100% payment history, the 5% payment.
That's why you should have more accounts, bro. If you get more accounts, then it'll go down a little bit at first, and then it'll bounce back, right? Go report. Yo,
Yeah, that's
what? For that line? Huh? Smart. Hmm. Yeah. Right. Let them know how they can find you, bro. You on Instagram? Instant stunts. Hit me up, and I'll get you in contact with them, man. Already.